recently I got this Signi Skyvik 20x macro lens from Amazon. So this is the outer box actually. So its MRP is 1500, but I got it for 1200 rupees. So it has a nice packaging. Let's open and see like what is there inside. So it has a very nice carrying case. Let's open this box and see what is inside. So this is the macro lens. So it is attached in the clip actually, and it has cover. And this is a cleaning cloth. And there is a pouch they give. And this is a keychain holder. So this is the box content. And this is the carrying case. So let me use this for some time, and I'll post the pictures of this macro lens attached from my iPhone 12 mini. See you everyone. Bye bye.